What's up, you guys? It's your girl Angela and welcome back to my channel and to another, you guessed it, ooh, what is this fuzz? Ooh. You guessed it, try on haul featuring one of my favorite brands ever, if not my absolute favorite. Drum roll please, lounge underwear. Now don't tell my other brands because I have bills that need to be paid. So let's keep this between me and you know, like right here, okay? Because we're right here. So thank you Lounge for sponsoring this video. Now, you know me, I love me some lounge underwear every day of my life. If you've seen my Instagram, you already know, but I especially love them during their sale times, especially their Black Friday sale, because I have some pieces I'm about to show you that are going for up to 35% off. And what better time to stock up on your underwear and loungewear than during the biggest sale of the year, which is starting now November 23rd and is going all the way to the 30th. And the sales are the same every single day. The prices aren't going to change. So there's no need to rush to the laptop during Thanksgiving. Enjoy your time with your family, whether that's in person or virtually. Thank you, pandemic, because the sale will be the same for that entire period of time. However, you might want to jump on these pieces before they sell out, because some of them definitely will, just because they're that amazing. So don't say I didn't warn you. So if you want to see some of my favorite pieces from the Lounge Underwear Black Friday sale, just keep on watching.
What's my name? Do you remember? I'm pretty sure you have my number. Blah, blah.
And I like to start with what I'm wearing. And right now I'm wearing the Ultra Comfort top and shorts set, paired with the matching cardigan. I mean, I had to get the matching cardigan, and you're gonna wanna get the matching cardigan too. So you might as well skip placing separate orders, because once you receive the top and the shorts, you're gonna be like, okay, I need the cardigan. It is that soft. And I wish there was feel-o-vision. Like, it's 2020 and we still can't feel through our screens what is going on here. I will never use the word soft loosely ever again. It's one of my favorite words to use in my hauls, because I really do get the softest, most comfortable clothing that is stretchy, because I have a curvier body and I need all the boxes checked. But this is literally the softest thing I have in my closet right now. Matter of fact, when I put it on to do my little mirror shots, I just didn't want to take it off. I had a completely different outfit planned, but I was like, no, this is so comfy. It just comes with this cute crop top and matching high-waisted shorts with these little pockets on the side, and of course the cardigan. So the top and shorts are sold as a set, and so I don't mess up the prices, I'm going to tell you exactly what they are. Now, there's not a set percentage off for the entire website. There are different percentages off based on the items. So your favorite set might be like 35% off. So you might want to stock up on those colors now, but definitely check the website because you're gonna get a good deal. So normally the top and shorts go for $80. Like I said, this is sold as a set, but with 20% off, you're getting it for $64. And the cardigan retails for $90, but with the 20% off, you're getting it for $72. I just think that this set is so worth it. It comes in two colors. This is like the mink cream color and then gray. Before the sale is up, I'm definitely getting the gray. You know me, once I find something I like, I want it in every single color. That's just how I am as a person. Next up, we have the Reborn leggings set. And these were definitely reborn because they basically just remastered the fit of these. I had the original legging set probably 1 or 2 years ago, and although it was really comfortable and fit me great, this just has a stretch like no other and hugs my body in ways that the first set didn't. So if you liked the original set, you're definitely going to love this set. It just takes the legging set to a whole new level. The Reborn leggings retail for $65, but you get 30% off with the sale, and that brings your total down to $45.50. That's a steal. Next up, we have the comfy chic crop top and trousers. It's all in the name. This is the most beautiful set lounge underwear has to offer. Talk about going from in the house to go grocery shopping. Like, this just does it for me. This doesn't look like PJs. It looks so well put together. It looks luxurious. It feels luxurious. The knitting just is super beautiful. And what I love about the top is that these straps are thick enough to wear a bra underneath if needed. I mean, typically I don't wear a bra, but for the sake of this video to see if I could wear a bra, I did, and it didn't show. So the pants are also a must-have. They're super wide leg. This is in the color olive, but I will definitely be getting the mint color as well. I feel like I've been traveling like crazy over the past couple of months, and it's because I have been traveling like crazy, and I'm actually just packing a backpack with me for this next trip I'm going on because I'm only going for like 2 days. So, oh, I was sitting on them the entire time. How, Sway? So like I said, I've been traveling so much. I'm always on the hunt for a good airport outfit because it's hard enough wearing masks the entire Uber ride there, then the entire flight until you reach your final destination, you're outside of the airport. So comfy airport clothes are essential right now. And this is my favorite set to wear to the airport, and that's the minimal legging set. You've definitely seen this in a prior lounge underwear haul. I showed you a different color, but of course, once I find something I like, I need it in every color. These leggings are really thin, but they don't show every lump and bump that I have. As you guys know, I did get lipo recently, and I'm still recovering, and the beauty of recovery is a lot of lumps and bumps along the way, and these leggings just smooth me out even though they're really thin and they're not see-through. So I mean, it's like the best of both worlds. Plus this color is everything right now. I feel like I've been gravitating towards like mink and cream colors, so this is definitely something I'm wearing to the airport in like 3 hours, so I'm gonna put this over here. The minimal leggings retail for $65, and with 30% off, you get it for $45.50. I mean, an entire set like that for $45.50. I mean, come on, lounge, you gotta make more colors. I need more colors of this. I need like the rainbow, okay? Okay, now let's get into the fun part of the video, which is underwear. And it's what lounge underwear is known for, like hello, it's in their name. This next style is pretty new, and it has quickly become my favorite style, so I'm saving the best for first. Hello, like this is the Luxe Balcony set, and I just love the two-tone colorway. So there's like a darker purple and a lighter purple in there, and it's just so beautiful on. I feel so sexy and feminine when I wear this. I have this in a few different colors, but this lilac purple shade just really stuck out to me the last time I was on the website, so I was like, I have to have that as well. And it just fits me so well. I got a 34D on top and then a small bottom. I just love this little like overlap here as well. Anything that gives like a V to the stomach slash, you know, cooter area just instantly makes my waist look snatched, so I love that. This set is 25% off. Okay, so now we're getting, you know, some more coinage off. Originally it was $65, and now with 25% off you get it for $48.75. Definitely invest in some good quality underwear. I promise you, you will not regret it, especially when it comes to lounge underwear. Next up, we have the bold mesh set that is sheer, just as a little FYI. So I am probably not going to be trying on underwear in this video. I will insert photos and videos when I can, only because things like this, I gotta say for my mans, you know what I'm saying? It is super sheer, but you do see the lounge logo all throughout. It cups under the boobs so beautifully, and this color is just stunning. Again, this is something I have in a ton of different colors. And then it just has this matching thong with the same lounge detailing. I love a good logo. If you don't know that, hi, my name is Angela. You know, nice to meet you. The bold mesh set is originally $45, but with 35% off, this is 35% off. This one is 35% off. Hello, like, and they have pink too. I need pink. So with 35% off, it brings your total to $29.25. So you're getting this set for under $30. Oh my God, they have pink too. I'm just like, so I want the pink too. Okay, well, I'm putting that on my Christmas list. And finally, we have the Blossom Balcony in this beautiful emerald green color. I don't have anything like this in my collection, anything this color, and not many underwear companies make this color. I'm just saying. Lounge underwear sets trends. I'm just saying. The Blossom sets are just a lounge underwear classic. They're always coming out with new colors. I would definitely recommend you getting the Blossom set if you've never tried lounge underwear before and you just want to try an underwear set that is super popular and is a bestseller every single time they come out with a new colorway. I would definitely recommend the Blossom set. The Blossom Balcony set retails for $65, and with the 25% you'll get it off for Black Friday. It brings your total down to $48.75. What I love about this set, as well as pretty much everything from lounge underwear, if I'm going to be real with you, is that lounge underwear is the perfect mix between comfort and sexy. So I definitely feel beautiful when I'm wearing this. Even when I'm by myself walking around the house, like I just feel so sexy, and you know, lounge underwear just gives me that confidence. But that is all the lounge underwear I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.